Not Ashford, no.
Dale Street, you've got a vehicle making off Charlie X-ray 09, X-ray Mike Kilo
Towards Cheadley.
towards Cheadley. They're just on the left onto Edgley Road towards Cheadley.
Roscoe's, towards Roscoe's.
Jerry towards Roscoe's, just immediately made up from us. There is no traffic or no pedestrians. Visibility is good, roads dry. Stand by, approaching traffic lights.
You're ready to put a major up in the road, I'm lost in that job. Just confirm your location, can you show me on the road?
Yeah, Edgley Road, just past the Morrison from our offside. Speeds 0 miles an hour. We didn't even light it up, we just saw our headlights and immediately made off. It's approaching through red ATS and it's a right.
Towards the pyramid, mate.
Generally
And the alley
towards
going.
the pyramids, just past the near side.
No, towards the alley.
Not blasphemous, not big, not any weapons.
Right, well, it's a still a BMW Dom, it's registered in Hertfordshire, respectively, so either a quote or document details.
There was a 12-plate GTI named on it.
Show me exactly, just make sure it's over, right? That can tell us if it's time. Could you slash the niggas move speed down on watching taxi and master, please?
Yes, if you bring way, it's coming up to the traffic lights, it's a left towards a motorway. It did throw a bottom out towards us, because the 12 plates long and recently is possibly that on both plates, only possible.
Check right, check left.
Clearly. It's gone through a red ATS, it's right, and then immediate left.
Towards the A6.
Roger, dust conditions, pedestrians, etc.
Passing go out almost to offside. Towards the A6.
Generally towards the A6, it's George's Road towards the A6. Traffic conditions, it's still no vehicles, no pedestrians. It is dry. It's gone round the roundabout, well, it's gone round twice. Stand by.
Well, I'm going to try to rely on your directions for everybody. So I'm coming through Chino.
It's gone left, Wellington Road north. Traffic is still light, still no pedestrians. Speed 70 miles per hour. It is proportionate, we're happy to continue this time.
It's now all back later.
Just past the SO to our offside. Speed decreased to 110 miles per hour. There is still no traffic. Generally towards Eton Chapel. Gone through red ATS at 80 miles per hour. Didn't affect any other road users. Another red ATS.
Straight through.
Through.
Bit to the near side.
Just passing McVitie's to the near side. Speed 110 miles per hour. Still no traffic. Still proportionate. Happy to continue.
Just confirm location.
Still Wellington Road North, just gone through another red ATS, approximately 0 miles per hour. And it's a right.
Towards Mount Road.
It's a right, through lane, towards Mount Road. Speeds 70 miles per hour, still no traffic, no pedestrians. Still proportionate, we're happy to continue.
I need to make you just pass on me, please.
Clearly. Yeah, it's right, traffic lights, generally.
Mount Road, mate, Mount Road.
On Mount Road, right onto Mount Road. Speed 50 miles per hour. Still light traffic, still no pedestrians, it's still proportionate. Continuing Mount Road, speeds have increased to 95 miles per hour.
Light pedestrian activity, mate. Very light road use. Visibility is good.
There's very, very light pedestrian activity. Still very light on vehicle activity.
Okay, we're going towards High Road.
Yes, it's just done a right onto High Road. Slightly more vehicles, but it's still light and very light pedestrian activity. Heading generally away from Manchester on High Road. Stand by. It's just done a refit now towards Manchester High Road. I believe there's 4 on board. It's done a left. Road, left onto Stockport Road, speed 80 miles per hour, and left into the
Ryderborough Estate, mate. Into the Ryderborough.
Into the Ryderborough Estate. It's done immediate right onto Devonshire Road.
Devonshire Road heading towards outskirts.
I'm going to come back towards Mount Road.
Heading generally back towards Mount Road, and it is
back towards Mount, mate.
Back towards Mount Road now.
Actually, not one line, we are on Mount Road.
It's just done another right to Wembley Road, and then left Darras Road, right onto Churton Road. There are no pedestrians, no vehicles. It is still precautionary. We're happy to continue. Visibility is still good. The road is still dry. Speed 60 miles per hour. Right Mount Road, and another immediate right onto Craig Road.
Throwing loads of stuff out, mate.
They're throwing loads of stuff out of the windows. I can't see what it is. Throwing stuff out. Right, left, and immediate right. Right onto Darras Road again, back to where it's come from, and then immediate left onto Mount Road. Speed 60 miles per hour. Left.
Just get a stinger.
Yes, definitely need harder, but they're still throwing stuff out the windows. We are at Hemsworth Road, and it's just done a left
back towards the train station.
Road. Say again?
Back towards the train station.
Back towards the train station. It's 70 miles per hour. Just past some light traffic.
Get someone from High Road with a stinger.
Get somebody High Road with a stinger. Please head back generally in that direction. Right. Left on Pine Street, and it's now left onto High Road, just passing Tesco's now offside, generally towards Manchester. Speed is 70 miles per hour. Traffic is moderate to light. There are very few pedestrians, and it is a right. Right up to Garraway, so Tesco will now be on the side. 0 miles per hour. Straight through a red ATS at 50 miles per hour. Just missed straight over through more traffic lights. Generally up towards Ashton Old Road.
Just confirm the caution that's in the Albert to continue.
Yeah, he's always in brake.
Yes, he's knocking on off the brakes and he is slowing down for stuff as he's approaching junctions. He's Abbey Hay Lane, generally towards Ashton Old Road.
Well, that is just confirmed that he's authorised to pursue, and yes, he's happy with traffic. Yes, we're hoping for him to come to a conclusion shortly, don't we?
1505, it's slowed down considering it's about 30 mile an hour. Stand by.